Hello everybody, this is Marshall Studios Forever Productions here. Marshall Studios Forever Productions is taped in front of a live audience on a Friday. Well, these are all the broken vacuums I have to get rid of because a lot of things what I felt really guilty for living in the carport shed in there. I felt really guilty for it, and a lot of things like this one that would be cost lots of money to fix on, and like the Sharp Twin Energy had stopped working. I really needed to part ways from that 1996 Black Sharp Twin energy efficient upright vacuum, and it's going to be a lot of money to go get it fixed. And the Orange Hoover Concept 1 upright vacuum, that one's done. The Black Sharp is done with. Panasonic had dirt spit up from the carpet. It wasn't grooming. And that blue Panasonic had dirt sputted up before. And these two vacuums right here are these two right here I have to get rid of because they are not being worth being fixed. That is trash, and that's going to be a lot of money to be fixed on the lot. And because my life is different, because in that green Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled Ultra had a bad motor to it, and this one really can be very expensive to fix on, and like I don't have the money to go take it into the shop like this. And these are not going to Fayetteville, Arkansas. These are trash. I'm getting rid of. And you guys, these 7 vacuums are getting rid of, and these are going to the dump. The 1977's shop vac I'm still keeping. I'm still going to use it for job works and stuff, and other things I have to do. And these vacuums right here, all of them, they have to be in storage, and the carpet cleaners would be in storage. And the Black Eureka, the Boss Plus, needs to be replaced because that one was more easy to work on, and that Eureka is more easy to work on, and I'm still gonna get new parts for it and get the motor fan replaced. And those Kirby's, I can replace them a lot. And that red Panasonic Jet Flow still works. I'm not going to use it very much. And the Auric needs some replacements, but that's going to go in storage. And this one's going to go in storage in Fayetteville. These vacuums right here will be storaged up. All these vacuums would be in storage.